Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Sidehacker. In this I'm going to compare the 4G Plus speed test comparison between the Realme GT Master Edition versus iQOO Z5 device. So both phones I did update to the Android 12 update. So FunTouch UI 12 and the Realme UI 3.0 with the Android 12 is running in the Realme GT Master Edition. Let's see friends, after this kind of Android 12 updates, which phone has got what type of 4G Plus carrier aggregation. That's what I'm going to demonstrate in this video. This is a complete indoor type situation which I'm trying to do the testing right now, and both phones I'm trying to use a Jio SIM card, as you can clearly see even Jio SIM card only, and right now I'm not getting any kind of carrier aggregation. So maybe while doing the test I might be able to get the carrier aggregation. Let me enable that mobile data. Maybe once after I enable mobile data I might be able to get it, but right now I'm not getting. So don't worry friends, while doing the test we might be able to see some kind of 4G plus signs on the top. So now let me open the speed test application and use the speed test application. So both phones we got the confirmation that they are using the Jio SIM cards only, and now it's time to check the speed test using same servers. So both phones are connected to same server, and now let's take a look at the speeds. Not bad regarding the speeds. Both phones are maintaining exactly same speeds. Wow, exact. The way it's increasing, you can clearly see friends, very close regarding the overall speeds between these two phones. Not bad. 11.8 and 11.4. That's damn very close. And both phones are not getting any kind of carrier aggregation. No. And let's do the test one more time. Let's see what happens this time. So this time both phones started with the same, but the Realme GT Master Edition slightly taking lead, even without any kind of 4G plus. Till the Realme GT Master Edition, you can see friends, not bad, slightly, but definitely friends, both phones are slightly kind of very close regarding the 4G plus. So right now let's do the individual test. So I'm not getting any kind of 4G plus aggregation. There is no carrier aggregation. Without any carrier aggregation, the Realme GT Master Edition did reach up to 26 Mbps. So right now I'm trying to do the individual test. So individual test I did get 26 Mbps. So doing both phones at same time we get the different results. Doing individual test we get the different results. So that's what I'm trying to mention in this video as well clearly. What's happening, 26.6 Mbps. And after this I'll try to do the test in this device. Yes, let's see what happens in the iQOO Z5, how much the iQOO Z5 can actually reach. So iQOO Z5 is trying to reach up to 22. It's trying its best kind of, but high score did reach in the Realme GT Master Edition. So that's it friends, thank you for watching. This is a quick comparison between these both phones after the recent Android 12 update. These are the statistics and results which we can actually compare between these both phones. And in case if you want me to compare any other comparisons, let me know in the comment section below. I can definitely do the comparison as soon as possible. Meanwhile, signing off friends, thank you for watching. Both phones are very close regarding the 4G plus 4G data connection, but there is no carrier aggregation right now I'm getting. But these both phones, they will support carrier aggregation. Okay, don't worry. That's outdoors but not the indoors. I'm not getting anything. Meanwhile, signing off friends, thank you for watching. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Bye.